Wala naman po nagre-rest.
Oh! Wait lang, gago! Wait lang!
Nasaan ba?
Wait lang! Wait lang, huwag mo itulak ko!
Ay, ito po ito.
Ayun! Ayun! Pedal lang. What the hell?
You'll be sending a second one.
Ayaw na magmatama.
Dugong. Piling ko dugong yun eh. Kasi nasa pinakailalim eh. Hindi ko lang kung buhay pa yun. Bata, sobrang bata ko pa nun eh.
Side Rocky baby, you have to walk. Alam ko may
Tingin ng crocodile.
Ala, nandun siya sa ilalim si Kuya.
Oh, sure.
Gago, may ahas. Nagkaganyan mo itong nila, no?
Hawakan mo ha? Oh god. Pag kinagat ka. Gago.
Bigyan ko dati ah. Bigyan nyo kami dati.
Pangin niyo po yung soda mo. Kaya na kumain ng bata. Chan. Ayan, yan po. Ang laki, no? Chan.
Galit si kapatid. Favorite ko yan. Pero kapatid natin.
Hey!
Balik siya, balik siya. Balik siya, balik siya.
Nauuhaw ka, no?
Ayan na! Ako, Michael! Ang dami nakabang naka-video sa inyo, Ben.
So cute. Lungay na.
Talagang isa na to, horny siya. Ben, tagal, Ben? Full storage na, Ben? Uy, mag-swimming na kayo! Ay, tagayan, nakagalo din tayo sa akin. Nasumurot ko ko kita. Masapag sa tangawag na kanalin. Ay, sinuro ko na to. Gawag, sinuro ko na ka.
Ang laki ng paa niya. Goodbye.
Betlog yun.
Parang ganyan lang ako. Parang ako lang mag-swimming.
Boy pa ba yun? Hindi, boy pa.
Tulog na naman. Toy, tara na! Swimming tayo! Yung ano yung presarap sa
headline and can weigh almost about 200
Pag ako kinagat
As
niyan.
you can see from their color, is Kakatuan lucensis. This bird can be found in eastern Indonesia and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Let's go, Chaco! There you go! The show officially started. Round of applause for Chaco with Taylor G. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle's ability to find the leading objects? Well, if you can yes, say you can do it, Dazzle! Let's go, Dazzle, find the hidden object for us. And you found them! Round of applause for Dazzle with Trainer RJ. Right? But as any couple, they will attest in a relationship and there will always be battle. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of Greenwing Macau. And today, they will be battling it out to see who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I will divide you into two groups. On the three rings at the same time, all players down. And the winner is Sassy! Trainer Neil, what can you say about that? Three rings at the same time. They known as Gold Penny Fancies. These boys can be found in Samar, Leyte, Catanduanes, and possibly in Sibuyan. So once again, I'm Trainer Anthony. Thank you and goodbye! By the way guys, please remain in your seat because you'll have a Sea Lion show. Thank you!
Tapos ng sila yung uwi ka, alis ka na. Ayun na sila yun!
Let's gear up to our Zero Prep! Here's Showtime! Hello everyone!
Oh! Hindi nag-slide.
Wow, what a wonderful entrance! Good day everyone!
Mga palakpak.
By the way, I'm Trainer RJ and I would like you to meet my Sea Lion friends together with trainers one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female, the South American Sea Lion that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is... While on the other side is the youngest female, the South American Sea Lion that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the cutest. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Ira. Together with trainer JB, say hello. What's convenient? So guys, do you have any idea why they are called feet or Pedophilic marine mammal? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flipper, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those one like wing. In fact, they appear to be flying by underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, ladies? And did you know they often mistaken like a sea because they look very much alike. But some differences between a sea and the sea lion is the fact that they have a bigger front flipper. And they also turn their back flipper, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration about the Ronald Oscar Sea Lion brand. And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. Flexible, right? Ronald Oscar Sea Lion brand. As you can see, their body is covered with a tingle of short coarse hair, and their whiskers taught the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Wow, nice smile. Hey! And they also use their whiskers to aid in navigation, or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water's surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammal, can see both above and underwater. They have a keen eye features. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky glass. Well, check this out. Truly strong front flipper. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ida, the cutest.
Ayaw naman isa.
Sea lions can generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flipper, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as water for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Ira and Trainer JB. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to. Ready, Isis? And that is so fast. How about a roller coaster, Isis? The prettiest. Back to your seat, Isis. Wow, nice dive. And another one. She deserves it. Now, here's an interesting story about your sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take this part of special operation? Yup, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of the planet and thus, each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve our inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Isis and Trainer JB,
Para di lang.
Ira and Trainer Nell, all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank you.
Oh yeah.
Lahat sila nakatayo eh, oh.
Saka nagtatago sila, tawag-tawag, nagtatago sila. Ayun. Ay, hindi. Kasi
Ayaw.
nagtatago sila. Ayun, tatago. Ayun, o. Ayun, nagtatago sila.
Vegan sila dito.
Magkano kaya yun sila? Mahal yan. Masarap kaya yun. Ay, yan yata yung ano eh. Ay,
Yung sandwich yung malaki talaga.
Ang laki ng matay eh, oh.
Parang handcake mo yun.
Chan. Hindi naman eh.
Yung mga gagawin nakatalikod.
pang monthly din, monthly. Pag lumang ikaw yan, yan mga bullet.
Para yung mga ano, pre, yung isda sa One Piece.
Isda sa one.
Balik.
Dito, dito! Ayun, ayun, mabuta siya, mabuta. Hindi na mabuta. Ayun na.
Dito tayo pa sa loob, oh. Hey! Kami! Mga kabalang buto. Ito nga po. Ang gagawin, laki.
Ito, ano to?
Hang yung isda, oh. Hang.
Oo nga, bangus na. Bangus! Hindi ba mas rin yun nandun, no? Laki.
Pating, oh.
Ay, pating yan, no?
Ah. Ano, mga natutulog, oh.
Di ba ano sila? Mamamatay sila?
Hindi ko alam dyan.
Silat sila lang.
Ano siya to?
Ay, kalahi ko yan.
Ano, nasuha din yun.